Okay, this is me, but it may not be you. I look at decimals and I say to myself, I would much rather have the number written differently. So I want to write 1.04 as a ratio of two integer numbers. So I'm going to say 104 over 100. I'm going to reduce that. That would give me 52. I'm dividing by 2, by the way, over 50. And that would give me, let's see, I divide by 2 again, I get 26 over 25. Right, so I want to write this a little differently. And as I do that, you may be surprised that you want to write it in a different way as well. And it doesn't have to mirror what I'm doing, but I'll certainly talk about this. So the one thing I notice over here, I do have minus 1 to the n minus 1. I'm going to write it as minus 1 to the n, and then minus 1 to the minus 1. We'll take care of that later. And then on the bottom, what I got, I didn't like the 1.04, so I'll write down 26 over 25 to the nth power. All right? Sorry, I didn't write 26 there, did I? All right, the next thing I'm going to do over here is just kind of looking at it. I'm looking at this, whoops, and this, and I think that's relatively easy to resolve, and I want to do that like right away. N equals 1 to infinity. And then over there, if I did that, it's written to the nth power, by the way. And I know it's going to be negative. And what are you going to get? 25 over 26. Put a minus on over there. All I did was I resolved this over here. All right? All I did. Now, what's minus 1 to the minus 1? It's minus 1. I'm going to put that on the outside. Now, what do I know about this? I know this thing over here is a convergent series. What kind of series is it? It's a geometric series. So this is an absolutely convergent series, absolutely. Now, if you want, you can do the absolute value of it. Really, it's something that a lot of students will do. A lot of teachers will do it as well. They'll just do the absolute value immediately. It's still convergent. That's a convergent series. What kind of series? It's a geometric series. Could you do the sum? Yeah, if you want to. They're not asking to do that. So what is my conclusion over here? Absolute convergent. Looking at the key, again, I'm doing the absolute value of it. I do tend to go towards ratio of integer. I prefer that to decimal. You may disagree with that. I did say it's a geometric series. I did look at the positive term series. That was convergent. Therefore, the original series is converges absolutely convergent. Thank you.